That's more like it, some beautiful sunshine. Good morning, peeps. Someone decided that this is the appropriate place to fall asleep last night. Well, probably about 2 hours ago. I can't move, I'm trapped. Merry Vlogmas Day 10. It's definitely not morning, but I have said hello to you this morning. The cat came and slept on me, which was very cute, but also very irritating because I couldn't move. Lurgy's particularly Lurgy-like today, so they're both here. They're both the other side of the counter. Whether they come over and open their calendars is anyone's guess. Oh no, he's walking out of the room, so apparently not. Mum?
I'll be there in just a minute.
She's tried to make her breakfast, well, her lunch. So yes, just hang out. I have dyed my hair. I haven't straightened it or curled it yet today. It's in a plait, but I did dye it last night, so I did get something accomplished. Oh dear. Dad's just come back from taking all of that post to the post office. Yes. How much money do I owe you, Papa?
£140.
140 quid.
Yep.
Ouchie.
Quickly.
I shall send it to you as soon as I get back to my phone. Number 10.
Number 10. Now, 2 things we've got to watch for. I haven't got my glasses on.
Okay.
Has that got airport control written on it anywhere?
No, I read that as well.
Are you sure?
Yes. It's okay. Robin's Hut. Hang on. Robin's Hut. No, don't. It likes your face. Let's try and focus on your face. Oh well, they look like sheep leaving.
No, they're pyramids.
I know.
I don't want a running theme, okay?
You started it.
Yes, I didn't start it.
Yes, you did.
What?
With the laxative comments, which I deleted out.
You never published.
I deleted that. Yeah.
Okay.
How is your Robin's nest? Robin's Hut. Sorry.
That's a cone.
Cone of shame, cone of licorice, cone of silence.
It's cone, and it feels
squishy?
Slightly squishy. It smells gorgeous.
A very good earplug.
Earplugs. He doesn't need earplugs. He needs to wear his hearing aid. Does it taste like licorice?
I don't know why I salivate so much just over licorice.
I know. I also cut that bit out because it's not pleasant to listen to.
Well, you can't just chew it and swallow it.
No, I agree. But, I agree.
What is it? Oh.
This is from Tiffany. It's scrumdiddlyumptious.
Ah, he's been making notes.
Oh well, it's Robin tomorrow.
Oh, okay. Oh, there you go. So if you would like to suggest a word of the day, please do so in the comments down below.
It isn't Robin today because I still can't get my tongue round it. It's gorgeous.
Gorgeous, gorgeous. I'm glad you all enjoyed Mum's demonstration of lack of love for coconut.
Very embarrassing. Even I laughed.
And thank you all for the birthday wishes. Thank you very much.
Yeah, lots of comments today. Lots of comments. What have you got today? Oh, it's green. That's hopeful. Is it pistachio?
Yes.
Oh, this is good.
That is very hopeful.
There's definitely going to be no coconut in there.
No, one hopes not.
And you like pistachio?
Yeah.
And it does look kind of green.
It does look very green. That's a worry.
Pistachio is a nice taste.
Okay.
There'd be no point giving it to me. I can't taste a thing. Is it good? Better than yesterday? Remember that?
Very nice.
Happy face. Happy face.
Happy face.
You can go and have your lunch now. Today I have. Let's see if I can find. Where is it? Number 10. Number 10. Number 10. Number 10. Ah, up here in the corner. Strawberry hot chocolate. So that's the second strawberry one, but this one is, the first one was dark, and this is, I'm guessing, milk. So yay. I keep saying this, I am actually going to have one of these today whilst I curl up and feel like death. So Mum's giving me drugs. Mum's giving me the day nurse that she didn't need to take with this exact same flu bug, whatever it is, because Mum is clearly much harder and made of sterner stuff than I am, and I'm just a delicate little flower that needs to man up wet pants.
Absolutely.
Yes. On the other hand, I have just ordered Mum's Christmas present.
Oh.
And the chap on the the chap on the phone was just like, oh, that's lovely, I'll get it out to you as quickly as possible. And I said, no, it's fabrics for her, she knows what she's getting. And he went, oh, you're not making the coat for her then? And I was like, no, she's a dressmaker too. So anyway, yes, that's given you a fairly good idea of what you're getting. But she didn't object to it when I told her of what I was planning, which was kind of the idea of me telling her. So if you haven't guessed, I have been feeling particularly rough today. Yeah, and I have done nothing but sleep and watch TV. So I mean, I know it's a cold, and I have a cough, but it's not like a chesty cough, it's all through the throat. So man up wet pants, but they always feel so they like wipe you out. Colds suck, they suck ass. But never mind, I have got mum's Christmas present sorted. Dad and I have got mum's Christmas present from him sorted, so that's cool. And I have been answering some emails, probably not very coherently, but I've been trying. So yeah, today's vlog is literally me just going bleh. But I'm afraid that's the joys of daily vlogging. That was the reality of today. I am going to feel better tomorrow. I am going to finish my Kelly Anorak. I'm so close. I mean, I'm not, I have lots to do, but like the big bits are done. So I've got to put on the channel for the waist tie, and then put all the bits onto the front for the zips and the press stud closure, and then I can assemble it all. So it is fairly close, because whilst all those things are fairly, there's a lot of processes to do, none of them are large processes, so it should be doable. We shall see. Anyway, I'm out of breath just talking to you for an hour, a minute and a half. It's not good. So I'm going to call it a night for today. It's 8 o'clock. I have got to edit this and get this uploaded. So yeah, I'm going to say goodnight, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.